to Positano. There's only one road in and out, so the cab driver dropped us off literally on the side of the road, and we're just waiting for the people. Oh my, look, there's a cat on that car. Got a cat? We're just waiting for the hotel to pick us up, so hopefully they get here because I have no service. So fun times, but I want to show you guys this beautiful view in front of me. Okay guys, we just got to our hotel in Positano. I'm freaking out. I cannot believe we're having our wedding here. It is like the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. So we have this room just for tonight, and then tomorrow we change to the suite. So just gonna give you guys a quick room tour. Super excited. When you first walk in, we have the room. I love all of the details with the floor and everything. And then we have a view out here. Very beautiful. I believe our next room has an even better view. Are you excited?
I am.
I can't believe we're getting married here. Then we go to the bathroom, which I actually have not seen before, but it is the cutest thing ever. We are so excited to be here. So excited. Okay guys, we're all ready to head to lunch with my family. I honestly have no idea where they are. They're supposed to be here, but the service here is really not the best. Like in the hotel, outside the hotel, it's just terrible. So hopefully we just run into them, but I just wanted to quickly show you guys our outfits. So I'm just wearing this little Skims dress. You guys have definitely seen me wear it before. Again, didn't have time to do makeup, hair, or anything, so this is just what we're rolling with. And I'm wearing sneakers because I'm trying to heal my feet before the wedding. This is Jay's fit, looking very fresh, very nice. Say hi. Say hi. Hey guys, we're currently heading to dinner. It's my family plus my titi and her family. Super excited. This is what I'm wearing. I didn't have time to do a little OOTD because everything's pretty hectic right now. But this is my outfit. Nothing crazy. And then this is everyone with me. But my parents are taking a long time.
Here's to family and friends coming all the way from far, far away from Positano.
Perfecto. Hey guys, it's the next day. We're about to head and have a family and friends beach day. We just had a little breakfast, but it was pretty quick, so I didn't really vlog anything. But I wanted to quickly show you guys my outfit and of course this gorgeous view. So this is the view outside today. It's extremely hot. And this is my outfit. Pepper Mayo was kind enough to send this over, so thank you to them. And then I just have my bathing suit on underneath. And yeah, I'm wearing sneakers because we're gonna have a lot of walking to do, but of course I packed my slides with. And yeah, we're just gonna head down to the beach, have a little fun beach day, and then later tonight is the rehearsal dinner, welcome drinks, all that fun stuff. We actually packed up all of our stuff, as you can see in the back, because we're checking into the bridal suite later today, so super excited. checked into the bridal suite. I'm not going to show you how I look because I'm absolutely sweating from walking up here. But this is our bridal suite. So we have the beautiful bed right here. Then I'll show you guys outside in a second. But we have this little seating area, which is perfect because for makeup and hair, we're going to need lots of room. Then we have a jacuzzi, which honestly I probably won't use because I'm very skeptical about jacuzzis at every hotel. We have our closet here, much bigger. Have a cute little seating area there. Then over here we have the bathroom, which is much bigger. We have 2 shower heads, so it's like a massive shower. Have all of this. And now I'll show you guys outside. Now this is to outside. Close it. So you go outside. This is, I think oh yeah, this is our own little courtyard. How cute, I had no idea. And look at these views. Wow, Jay and I could be chilling up here. Is that a massive spider? Okay, I'm gonna go this way. But yeah, we have all of this up here. So beautiful. And then you have the hotel sign right there. Sick views all around. Hey guys, we're heading to rehearsal dinner and drinks. This is my outfit. My baby got me this little Mrs. purse, and this is Jay's outfit. Welcome everyone to Positano. We're so thankful that everyone came here today. Just wanted to say a big thank you to my parents who helped put this little evening together. And I also wanted to give a big shout out to my brother Antonio, who just graduated college, high school just a few days ago. He's gonna be off to college. But yep, let's get this party started and let's say cheers with everyone. Thank you guys for coming.
I wanted to say hello, thank you for coming, and to share this great experience with Siera and my new son-in-law. We really appreciate you guys coming from far and wide away and traveling, and two and three planes and delays and taxis and climbing stairs and mountains and all that kind of stuff. Yes, we're all going to be skinny. We are saying that we appreciate you, and we are glad that you're here, and we wouldn't want this any other way but to share it with all of you. So from our heart to yours, we love you and we appreciate you, and thank you for celebrating them. Cheers. 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 Thanks, everyone.
You're prepared this time.
All right.
Last time I was nervous. I know, but I was thank you guys all so much. Unfortunately, my family's very small, so right now it's just me and Morgan, but Morgan and I feel very embraced by you guys. So that means so much to us. So thank you for accepting my son, my daughter, and myself. Siera has, like I said at the shower, has raised him up to be a better man, and I appreciate that so much in her. And they make a beautiful couple, and I can't wait to have grandchildren. Far in the future, yes. But thank you so much, everybody, for coming and embracing us. Thank you.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful.